Hello, my name is Eliya BINTI SARUDIN, matrix number 07DTK 21F1035. Today I would like to present to you the outcome I got after completed my industrial training for 20 weeks. So this is the overview of my contents. I will talk about the introductions of my organization. Then I will explain some of the works I have done throughout the 20 weeks of my industrial training. And lastly, the conclusion, which I have included with the comments and suggestion. So without wasting any time, let's get to the first content, which is introduction to the organizations. So the company I work with, the organizations I work with, the name of the organization is Pasukan Teknikal ICT Sekolah, or the shortened form is PTIS. PTIS is both under PPD and JPN, Jabatan Pejabat Pendidikan Daerah, and Jabatan Pendidikan Negeri Sabah. So there I also included the address of my office. Our office is located in SMK Beaufort 3. On the right side here is I have listed 4 main activities done by these organizations. So number 1 is implement ICT technical services based on the guidelines that have been prepared by Jabatan Pendidikan Negeri Sabah, JPN. Number 2, ensure implementation as the main work target that has been set by JPN. Number 3, provide information on allocation requirements for operation and ICT needs at the school level to JPN. And lastly, report on implementation status of the centralization of ICT technical services to JPN. For the vision and mission, PTs don't actually have one, so these I took from PPD Beaufort. So the vision is quality education, educated people, a prosperous country, and the mission is preserving quality education to develop individual potential to fulfill national aspirations. And here is the organization's chart. Up here is the supervisor team, which is Encik Muhammad Rudi, and under him is the second in charge if the supervisor is not in office. So anything we refer to him if the second in charge, and he is also, and also we have 3 teams, and each teams have its own leaders. So here, as you can see here, throughout my industrial training, my supervisor has assigned me to work with the team zone 3. So whatever activities we will do, we do everything together. Let's move on to the next contents. These are some of the big projects that I have done throughout my industrial trainings. So the first project is to test LCD projector and deliver it to schools. The second project is to perform a preventative maintenance for ceramic devices also at schools. And number 3 is installation of Microsoft Office 365 for the use of it is important for the use of the sectors in management and administrator in schools. And lastly, preventative maintenance for PC Joy. So these are some of the pictures activities that have been took. After the projectors has delivered to our office by the company, the first things we did was we separated all the projectors into each teams. Then we have to prepare all the important documents for each schools. After that, we start to run a test on the projector just to make sure it is functioning well and in a good condition before getting delivered. Once done, we have to make sure all accessories have been included. And lastly, we deliver the projectors to the selected schools and get all the documents to be signed by the school's principals or headmasters. For the next project, for the second project, we are only required to delete old user account, and each device with different operating system will have different procedure for account deletion. For Chrome OS, we just have to remove the account from the login display. Make sure the device is connected to the internet. We also have to record some important information such as serial number and asset tag. For Chromebook, we just need to press alternate V keys to check the numbers. Next, for Windows 10 operating system, to delete the user account, we have to change the account types first. Change the account type into administrator through control panel, and after that, we did some minor cleaning on the device to remove any dust. And then next, for the third project, which is installation of M365 phase 1. So first step we have to do is to change the device name. We have to change it by following the given format by BPM, bahagian pengurusan maklumat. To change the name, it's simple. Just go to settings, PC about. On the right side, click on the rename PC advanced and enter the name. And then apply the changes and restart the PC. After the PC, the restart process is done, the device need to join into Intune via Microsoft Entra ID using the email and password provided by BPM also. So also we have to make sure the device has joined Azure server. Then after that, we have to install the Microsoft software. If the device not have installed yet, but before that we have to check if there are any other Office software that are not Office 365. We need such as Office 2016 and 2019. We have to delete the software first. To delete the software, just go to control panel and delete software. After that, we can continue with the installation of the software. And then after the installation process is done, we have to create a new account using the same password and email earlier. And then after that, after done create the account, we have to check on the account, open any application, any Office application. So in here I've included from Excel. Here you can see the user information and the product information. And then lastly, for the last project, which is preventative maintenance of PC Joy. For this preventative maintenance, we just have to follow the checklist given that have been provided. So first thing we have to do is to clean the PC. So first we have to unplug every plug. We have to unplug every cables from the PC. Then we can proceed to open the PC case to have access into the inside of the PC. We use a cordless screwdriver to unscrew every screw on the panel, and then we use a blower machine to blow on any stubborn dust that is sticking, especially sticking on the CPU fans that are hard to clean. And then we use a small brush to clean the PC ports. And then we use microfiber cloth to clean the display monitor. And then after done cleaning, close the PC case back and plug in every cable onto the PC and turn on the PC. Check for any updates on the PC if available, and then we need to perform a defragmentation to organize files inside the hard disk for a better performance. Like as you can see here, on the left side here, we just need to click on the optimize button, and then it will start optimizing the hard disk. After that, we have to perform a disk cleanup to delete temporary files. For this step, just click on this PC icon and then choose the driver that we need to perform this cleanup, and then right click on the drive, select properties, and then select disk cleanup, select cleanup system files, and then it will display user icon control, and it requires us to enter the admin password and username to have to get permission to delete the files. And then just after enter the username and password, click the OK button to apply changes, and then tick on all files that need to be deleted and click OK button to start the disk cleanup drive. And after completed, fill the checklist form and sign it. And for the last contents, which is conclusion. In conclusion, after completing 5 months of industrial training at this school ICT technical team, it has given me a lot of experience and knowledge which can be implemented in the world of work later. Completing industrial training in computer technical, it provides noteworthy practical experience and technical skill development, and it acquires me to get hands-on experience in system management and troubleshooting. This practical experience boosts my technical skills and prepares me for the real-world issues. Next, for the comment and suggestion. My comment is overall my experience in the technical team was very positive. The collaboration within the technical team was remarkable. Teams work closely together, often across different disciplines, to solve complex problems and deliver high quality service. I also found the industry to be highly supportive and supportive of learning and development. It is a field that values innovation, supports professionals' growth, and offers exciting opportunities for those who are passionate in technology. Lastly, for the suggestion, I would like to leave a recommendation for Polytechnic to provide students with plenty of time to complete and double-check their final report after undergo 20 weeks of industrial training. And in order to produce a high-quality report, lecturers' involvement is also crucial. I also have to recommend to the Polytechnic to expand the areas for lecturer to visit students' workplace. The reason it is because it will be a more exciting experience for students, company, and the lecturer too. And as for the company, I would like to recommend for the company, especially in the government sector, to give monthly allowance, monthly, weekly. I think minimum 100 is okay. 100, 200 at least. And then lastly, the company should promote the training they provided for students who are interested in the technical field. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening to my presentation.